Welcome to a new video. This time we have a Yamaha MT09. So, and again we put some fork seals because they're leaking. So this time working on a Yamaha. So enjoy the video and let me know if you have some questions. As you can see, I take out the fork tubes. This one is okay, and this one is leaking a lot. So now I'll take these two apart to replace the seals, put some new oil into it, a new washer, and then back on the bike. After this, customer asked me to check, he put exhaust, so he asked me to check the complete bike. Also he said this is too close, but it has a nice exhaust, full system. So after I'm finished with this, I will remove the clutch. He asked me to check because he has some strange sound. But before I will remove this, I put this together and then take it for a test ride. So if you are still watching, you didn't like the video, leave a comment, and enjoy watching. And I took the first one apart, all the washers and spacers. These are the new seals. This is the old one. So let's work on it. Put this one together, clean it a bit, put some fluids in it, and then do the same thing with the other one, and then put it back on the bike. So this is a little bit different like the normal Suzuki. There's like a spacer on the fork. This one is inside.